Alex, what do you say? How's it looking for that launch?
Yeah, not great. Not great at all.
Okay.
No. It's really looking nasty along the coast. We have the liftoff winds are a concern. Still very breezy out there, and the cloud cover is also a concern. Take a look at that launch forecast. Only a 30% probability of launch weather-wise. So again, lightning, cumulus clouds, and the ground winds. Those are all the issues out there. You can see right now the flag in the camera blowing around quite a bit. We just had a big squall come through. We had some really strong winds and that rain pushed through. That has since cleared out, but you can still see plenty of cloud cover out there and still plenty of rain offshore continuing to build its way in. So again, that's why the chances for launch are quite slim weather-wise. As we zoom in a little bit closer, some heavier showers down in southern Brevard County, but they don't last for too long. They're already falling apart. A few showers also building east of Kissimmee, heading back towards the Florida Turnpike. Big scattering of rain from Lake County down through Seminole and Orange County. Again, everything moving from the north down towards the south and the west. And as I zoom out further, though, that low pressure is bringing in that drier air on the west side of it, and that's going to continue to erode away our cloud cover and start to slim our rain chances down as that low continues to lift on up to the north. But with that low so close, we are quite breezy. 22-mile-per-hour winds, Buffalo and St. Cloud, 21 in Orlando, 21-mile-per-hour winds in Wildwood and Leesburg. Take a look at the land, 16-mile-per-hour winds along with Palm Coast. In the gusts, it's pretty gusty out there. Palm Coast now back up to 30-mile-per-hour gusts, 32-mile-per-hour gusts in Daytona Beach, 26 in Orlando, 28-mile-per-hour gusts there in Leesburg. So we're going to stay pretty windy. 36-mile-per-hour gusts in Melbourne. So we're going to stay pretty windy as we head into tonight. Again, along the coast, we have a wind advisory until 11 o'clock. Temperatures right now a little bit cooler to the north, 73 in Ocala, 72 in Palm Coast, a little bit warmer to the south, 79 degrees Kissimmee, 78 in St. Cloud and Buffalo and Orlando, 78 degrees still in Melbourne and Palm Bay. And as we head through the evening, those temperatures will continue to slowly cool down, 75 by around 9 o'clock. Most of that rain will be gone, just dealing with some cloud cover. It's still a little windy by 11 o'clock, back down to about 75 degrees. Overnight tonight, lows will drop down into the mid to upper 60s, so right around where we should be for this time of year. But with the winds from the north tomorrow, temperatures are going to stay a little bit cooler for tomorrow's afternoon highs. Here's 10 o'clock again. Showers continue to move on out. Cloud cover clears up as we head through the overnight. We'll wake up right around 9 o'clock with plenty of sunshine for most of us, though we'll keep an eye on the coast for a little bit of cloud cover and some shower activity. As we head towards 5 o'clock, again, 90% of it staying dry, only calling for a 10% chance of rain, so a sprinkle possible as we head towards the later afternoon hours. But again, many of us will stay dry. It's going to be looking like a beautiful Saturday for you. So detractions forecast, get outside, enjoy it if you can. Sunny and warm by noon, 80 degrees, 82 as we head towards the 5 o'clock hour. And that's right about where our high will be for tomorrow, right around 82 degrees in Orlando, 81 in Ocala, 82 in Buffalo, so most of us right around the 80-degree mark. Quick look at the tropics now. This area of disturbed weather off the coast of the Carolinas only has a 10% chance for development, so very unlikely that we'll see a tropical system with that, but something to keep an eye on as we head into the weekend. As we head into the weekend closer to home, staying dry Sunday, Monday also very dry. Those highs warming back up near 90 degrees as we head towards Tuesday. Then those rain chances slowly increase as we head towards next weekend. 30% coverage of rain on Thursday. And as we head towards Friday, 50% coverage of showers and storms with a high of 87 degrees.